Have you ever wondered why some students thrive while others struggle despite the same curriculum? The secret lies in understanding the psychology behind learning and education. Welcome back to Psych Academy, where we explore the science of the mind and how it shapes every aspect of our lives. Today we'll discuss the implications of psychology in education, how understanding the human mind transforms teaching, learning, and student success. Understanding how students learn psychology helps educators understand how students absorb information, develop skills, and solve problems. Key insights include memory and retention. Techniques like spaced repetition and active recall improve learning. Attention and focus. Understanding cognitive load helps teachers reduce distractions. Motivation. Knowing intrinsic versus extrinsic motivators increases engagement. By applying these principles, teachers can create learning experiences that stick in the brain and promote long-term understanding. Individual differences in learning. Every student learns differently. Psychology helps teachers recognize different learning styles, visual, auditory, kinesthetic, personality traits affecting learning, special educational needs, intelligence, and aptitude variations. This knowledge allows for personalized teaching and ensures that every student can succeed. Motivation and classroom behavior. Why do some students stay motivated while others lose interest? Psychology explains how goals influence behavior. The role of rewards and reinforcement. The impact of emotions on learning. Teachers can use these insights to create engaging, motivating, and emotionally supportive classrooms. Child and adolescent development. Developmental psychology helps educators understand how students grow cognitively, socially, and emotionally. Age-appropriate teaching methods, supporting social and emotional development, encouraging critical thinking and problem-solving skills. This ensures education is tailored to each stage of development. Mental health and well-being psychology plays a vital role in student well-being, identifying learning difficulties, addressing academic stress and anxiety, promoting resilience and coping skills. By understanding psychology, schools can provide holistic education that nurtures both mind and body. Teaching strategies and assessment. Educational psychology informs effective teaching strategies, active learning and engagement techniques, feedback loops to improve performance, scaffolding complex concepts, collaborative learning. It also improves assessment practices, ensuring fair, accurate, and meaningful evaluation. In conclusion, the implications of psychology in education are profound. By understanding how the mind works, educators can enhance learning outcomes, support individual student needs, promote mental well-being, foster lifelong curiosity and growth. Psychology empowers education to be more scientific, effective, and compassionate. If you learned something today, hit like, subscribe, and explore more insights with Psych Academy.